Okay, after screwing this up in a way that would be totally embarrassing if I was 20 years younger, arithmetic is the first thing to go. Did too much in my head and got the signs wrong in these. I had a +2 here instead of a -2. Let's look at that thing. Okay? Wasn't careful. You be careful. And also check your work, because when I checked my work, I realized it was screwed up. Okay? Which at least led me back to something resembling a repair. So we solved this equation, and the details of solving this are simple. You get the arithmetic right. Okay. So now I've got my, well, first of my fundamental set is e to the negative t times 2, 5, e to the 3t times 2, 3. Okay, so the sign matrix. Just put the columns there, and of course I'm going to multiply through. Okay? Okay, well, let's just pick an invertible matrix. Okay? Any matrix with a determinant that isn't 0, right? Okay, let's see, well, this matrix. Determinant is clearly not 0, it's 1, it's 5. Okay? So, well, I'll write it down since I probably want to point to things. And if I did it in my head, I'd probably screw it up. 2e to the negative t, 5e to the negative t, 2e to the 3t, 3e to the 3t. Okay, and what do we get? We get one of these and two of these, right? Which is 2 and 10, it's 12. E to the negative t. Okay? Now multiplying this by this, probably shouldn't have reversed the coordinates like I did, but it'll work for any matrix. This one seems maybe, because it's negative 12, be a little contrived, right? Actually, no, it isn't negative 12. I'm sorry. It's negative 4 and 5, right? Which is just e to the negative t. Okay? And then we multiply over here, and we get 4 and 7, which is 4 and 6, which is 7. Okay? Now, I might have been lying to you all along. This doesn't look like it's going to work out. So fundamental set is
What you want to find out? Top row, left matrix, are the right column. We should get. There should be 8 on the top right.
this. Okay? Now, does that work? Okay, if you multiply this matrix by this, you get the derivative of this. Okay? So we could check
Shouldn't that be an 8? Or I'm so glad I found this. I'm a little worried.
Okay. Well, it sure doesn't.
That 7 should be an 8.
Now, you telling me that 2 and 6 is 8?
Yeah.
Well, I have to trust your arithmetic. I don't have time to count on my fingers, and I got that trigger finger thing there. Okay? This isn't working. So maybe everything I've just told you is just a bunch of garbage.
I don't know.
It's possible. However, the stuff about a Bell's theorem is correct. Okay?